If you recently installed the August 2026 Windows 11 update and suddenly some of your games are freezing, crashing, or refusing to launch, you might not be alone. Microsoft has now confirmed that it's investigating reports of gaming problems following the August 11th Windows updates, including KB512-1003. According to Microsoft's Windows Release Health dashboard, the company received reports that certain games aren't running as expected after installing the update. The reported problems affect some PCs running Windows 11 version 24H2 and 25H2, and the symptoms can be pretty serious. Some users are reporting games freezing, while others say their games simply close without warning. There are also reports of an exception access violation error, and in some cases, even unexpected system restarts. Games mentioned in reports include ARC Raiders, Marvel Tokon Fighting Souls, and the finals. But there could be other games affected as well. So if you've started experiencing similar problems with a different game after installing the August update, let me know the name of the game in the comments. This could also help other users figure out whether they are experiencing the same issue. Now there's something important you should know. Microsoft hasn't confirmed yet that KB512-1003 itself is definitely responsible for all of these problems. The company says it's currently investigating to determine whether this is actually an issue caused by Microsoft. So, if your games are working normally after installing the August update, there's no reason to panic or immediately uninstall it. However, there's an interesting development for the finals players. Embark Studios, the developer behind the finals, says it has identified a crash related to a file called inputx64.sys. According to Embark, this file is involved in the crashes some players started experiencing following the recent Windows update. The good news is that a temporary workaround is available while Embark works on a long-term fix. Basically, the workaround involves stopping and removing the service associated with inputx64.sys and then removing the affected driver file from Windows. But because this involves making changes to a Windows kernel driver, don't just start deleting files from System32 manually. I've added a step-by-step guide covered by the developer in the video description. If you're affected, check that article and follow the instructions carefully. For everyone else experiencing gaming crashes after KB512-1003, Microsoft is asking affected users to submit a report through the Feedback Hub. For now, the important takeaway is this: if your games started freezing, crashing, refusing to launch, or your PC unexpectedly restarted after installing the August 2026 Windows 11 update, you're not the only one reporting it. Microsoft is officially investigating the situation, but it hasn't yet confirmed that the update itself is the cause. And there's currently no universal Microsoft fix for all affected games. I'll keep an eye on Microsoft's investigation, and if Microsoft releases an official fix or provides more information, I'll cover it here. So make sure you're subscribed if you don't want to miss that update.